I used $50 to try dropshipping, and here are the results. Last week, I decided to find out if I can start dropshipping with just $50. TikTok gave us a free way to find the product. Then we made a store called The Tools Cleaning, which looked like this. The plan was to post 5 to 8 TikTok videos every day to get sales organically, and these are the results. Day 1, I spent the first day researching various TikTok methods, such as the ideal times to publish and what type of content to post. So here's something quick for you. The best time to post is, and let's say you live in Europe and want to target the US. You can use this tool to change the time zone. Choose your country, then choose the country you want to post and enter the time you want to post and it will appear. Then you should post your own time. So far, I've only put up 4 TikToks on the first day. The plan now is to post 5 to 8 TikToks every day. I failed on the first day, but most of the views were pretty good, except for the last one. The Shopify dashboard, on the other hand, was awful. Day 2, again, I only put up 4 TikToks on this day. They didn't get that many views except one that was decent. On the Shopify dashboard, things appear a little better. Still no sales or checkouts. However, we did receive 3 add to carts with only 30 store visits. Day 3, I really wanted to get better because it had been 2 days already and we had only had 33 store visits and 3 add to carts. I spent a lot of time doing research and I wanted to use TikToks because they seem to work so well. But TikTok's text-to-speech gave me only one voice. I spent hours looking for answers but couldn't figure out how to get the different voices. It was very frustrating until I found a golden website, speaktts.com. You just type in what you want it to say, choose a voice, and click generate and download on this website. This is the best way to convert text to voice within a second. I started making a lot of TikToks and even decided to branch out into Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and even a new TikTok account since I was concerned that buying followers might screw up TikTok's algorithm. We didn't get many views except for this one short video on YouTube that went viral and got 5,000 views. The Shopify dashboard still didn't look great, but we are getting closer to making a sale. Day 4, I posted 8 TikToks. 2 of the TikToks we made got a good number of views. The TikTok pages on YouTube, Instagram, and elsewhere didn't do that well, but because of these 2 TikToks, our Shopify dashboard showed that we had 45 store sessions, 4 add items to carts, and 2 reached checkout but no sales. Day 5. Day 6, I was trying to figure out what I was doing wrong, so I decided to make some in-depth research and search for few dropshipping tutorial, and then I found a very helpful video on this channel that helped me to understand my actual problem. My actual problem was my content. When I examined my analytics, I discovered that only Danish people had viewed my TikTok, which was unfortunate because people in Denmark can't buy things from USA without paying a lot in import tax. I looked into how to influence the United States from Europe, and I discovered that I needed a VPN, which I already had. I did not have an American SIM card though. This was a lot harder than I thought it would be. But just when things seemed to be going the worst, we made our first sale. So I went out and
just bought this new Lamborghini here.
Day 7. This day doesn't really count because I spent most of it editing and thinking about how you could do this challenge again for an American audience. So at the end of day 7, these are the overall numbers for this challenge. We made $28.94 and our expenses were $1 on Shopify plan, $14 on the domain, $2 on followers, and $9.75 on the reviews app, and $16.25 on product fulfillment. This means that we have lost $14.06. But even though we lost $14 in this challenge, I think we learned a lot about TikToks and their algorithm, how to reach your target audience, and get the text to voice. Overall, this challenge turned out to be a success. I was thinking about trying this challenge again with an American SIM card or maybe testing this product with paid ads. Please let me know in the comments if you'd like to see any of that. I'll make a step-by-step video for you if you want to know how to make a store like this. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, remember to click the notification bell for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the following video.